My name is Andrew Bartels. I'm CTO for PSA Financial and Insurance Services. We're located in Hunt Valley, Maryland, which is about an hour north of DC. We've been using Informatica Cloud now for probably a little over a year. And our primary integration use case is to integrate our back-end agency management system, which is also our primary general ledger, with Salesforce.com. One of the challenges we had at PSA was adoption when it came to the implementation of Salesforce.com. Originally implemented in 2008, it basically failed as an unintegrated system. And we learned from that experience, and we realized that we had to make Salesforce a partner. We had to deliver Salesforce to our users in such a way that it was providing them with information that they did not already have. And so bringing data in a summarized format into Salesforce.com from our back-end transactional systems has been absolutely critical in driving adoption. Well, one of the reasons we chose Informatica Cloud was because of the pedigree of the product. One thing we did not want to do was implement a product that we were not confident was going to work. We wanted to make sure that we could deliver a level of service to our users internally that we could be confident in. I think one of the things that any organization has to be fearful of is that the data that ultimately ends up in the repository system, in our case Salesforce.com, would not be accurate because of a failure of a transaction as part of the integration process. And so we wanted to make sure that there was a system out there that we could be confident could deliver the level of integration security that we needed to have. Integrations run all the time. They run every 15 minutes, 24 hours a day. We have people entering wins in the field. We have people entering opportunities and pushing them to the marketing stage at home during the night. And we have to be confident that those transactions are going to run and integrate between the different systems no matter what. So the ability to literally from anywhere pull up and monitor those tasks, those flows from your mobile device is fantastic for our support team. With Informatica Cloud, it's literally as simple as going in, making the modifications that you want to make, adding in the fields that you want to add in, removing the fields that you don't need, and you're done. You don't actually have to phone the consultant. And you can have business users do it, because ultimately at the end of the day, the business users are the ones that actually understand why the data is important and why they want the data. And to give them and empower them with the ability to go in and make those changes is huge within an organization, and definitely within PSA at least has definitely improved the relationship between IT and the business units, because they've realized now, rather than just having IT as a support role, IT is actually contributing to their success in the field.